This video documents polished concrete and the accommodation of existing mechanical obstacles. First, the carpet was removed. Then the BCT. After this, the adhesive was cleaned by diamond grinding. What was left were multiple floor boxes that were not only unsightly, but also higher than the surrounding concrete. The room is used for robotic testing and technology. The individual floor boxes would be obstacles for testing the wheeled mechanical equipment. To mitigate these elevation inequalities, a plan was made to smooth the floor fully. First, the boxes were used to create a pattern grid. This provided an opportunity for aesthetic uniformity. Measuring and taping formed the basis of the grid. Once the layout was finished, concrete around each box was removed. Equipment made for bulk removal is used to do this work efficiently and dust-free. Following the removal, a patching product is chosen for filling around each box. The product is made to perform like concrete and polishes similarly. The room is prepared for patch mixing and placement. The blending of the patch is done dust-free. Placing the patch is done carefully to transition from the concrete to floor box. While not flat, a slight ramp around each is created by the product and process. Once cured, the patch is ground flush to the concrete and floor boxes. Special treatment is given to each patch to create a smooth transition and improve their finished appearance. Then the whole floor is polished. Following the polish, the floor is sealed and burnished. And that's about it. Polished concrete and the accommodation of existing mechanical obstacles.